Okay, guys, so I want to teach you how to go about TickLip, where you can access anybody anytime. So let's go through it. Let me flip my phone. So, TickLip, you go to Google. You go to Google and you type that. I don't know if it is clear. You type that on your phone. That is an app that is going to take you directly to how much gamers are earning. Okay?
Yeah.
Then you click it. Then it takes you directly to the daily earnings of your country. I don't know what country you support. I live in Germany, so this is a list of people living in Germany. It
That
depends.
is
What country are you looking?
So
Me,
that
I'm
is
looking now.
that
Yeah.
is how much they have made in the last 2 hours.
Every 2 hours.
Damn.
Every 2 hours.
Somebody has made $5,000.
Every 2 hours, yeah. Number 1 to 21, the best Kenyan earners on Kenyan TikTok. So,
Can we start from number 21?
I start from number 21.
Exactly. Then we go all the way up.
Why don't I start from number 1?
Let's start from number 21 all the way up, and we see who is on the podium. Then we say, hey, man, congratulations.
Yeah, number 21 on my list.
Yes.
Number 21 is Nyakwar Janeko. Nyakwar Janeko is with a net worth of $23,856. Converted into Kenya shillings, that is 3 million.
3 million Kenya shillings. That is for the period of 2024, right?
That is, yes, 2024 until now.
Okay.
Well, no, some of them are shorter period because they just recently started gaming.
Okay.
So TickLip is gonna list you when you started.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is
number two, Nyakwar is number 21 on my list
with 3 million.
with 3 million. Number 20 is Malisafi
Yes.
with 3.3 million.
3.3 million Kenya shillings. So how much in US? How much USD has Malisafi made?
Wait, I look for Malisafi on my USD list. 26,080.
Oh, okay.
26,080. Then we have number 19, Cindy. Cindy's net worth is 3.3 million. I think Cindy is coming before Malisafi, either way. Cindy's net worth is $27,872 US.
Wow, 27,000 USD. That is a 3.3
million, something like that.
Yes.
Then we have Jennifer. Jennifer is number 18 or 17.
Yeah.
Jennifer's net worth in US dollars is 28,000 USD. In Kenya shillings, I think she's at 3.6 million.
3.6 million, Jennifer. Wow.
Jennifer, yes. Then we have Chicha.
Official Chicha.
Net worth in US dollars is 32,000 US dollars.
Chicha's made 32,000 USD 2025.
Yeah, in Kenya shillings, 4 million.
4 million Kenya shillings.
Yes. Then we have Joffrey
Comedian.
Joffrey's comedian net worth is 37,000 US dollars. Kenya shillings, 4 million.
37,000 USD, that's close to 5 million Kenya shillings. Damn.
No, 4 million. Nili multiply na rate ya jana.
Okay. Go
I
ahead.
did this yesterday.
Okay.
Because the rate keeps on changing.
Yeah.
Then we have number 15, Sami Saich.
Sami Saich, he hosts some...
Sami Saich is at 56,000 US dollars.
56,000 USD.
Yeah. He is at 7.2 million Kenya shillings.
That is number?
That is number 15 or I don't know. Then we have Githaiga. See, I'm reading the list from down going
From
up.
bottom up, yes. Githaiga
Yeah.
was
Then we
shy.
have Githaiga.
Yes.
Githaiga's net worth is $57,000 US.
Wow. 57,000 USD. That is close to 7 point something.
7 million. 7 million. Githaiga's network is at net worth is 7 million.
7
Then
million.
we have JB TAR awareness .com 333.
Yes.
JB is at 65,000 US dollars. Her net
65.
worth is 8 million.
65,000 USD. JB has made 65,000 USD.
Yeah, I can prove it if you want to.
Oh, okay.
If you are doubting, just put a star. I'm going to prove it.
Okay.
Then we have Frankie Mesh.
Frankie.
Mesh. Frankie Mesh net worth is wait in US dollars. Where did I put him? Where's Frankie Mesh? Frankie Mesh net worth in Kenya shillings is 8 million. Frankie Mesh is at 65,145 US dollars.
Damn.
8 million.
Yeah, 8 million Frankie.
Then we have Cheryl Gabriel.
Oh, Cheryl Gabriel all the way from Eldoret.
Cheryl Gabriel is at 70,511 US dollars.
70,511 USD. Damn.
Cheryl Gabriel's network is at 9 million.
9 million from TikTok.
Yes. Then we have Emma Shear.
Emma Shear.
Emma Shear's net worth is 72,963 US dollars.
Wow.
Emma Shear's net worth is at 10 million.
10 million Kenya shillings.
Kenya
from TikTok.
shillings. Then we have Anna Benta.
Anna Benta.
Anna Benta's net worth is 85,713.
Anna Benta's made 85,713 USD on TikTok.
Yeah. Her net worth in Kenya is 11 million.
11 million Kenya shillings. Damn.
Then we have Mwajei.
Mwajuma.
Mwajei's net worth is at 90,000 US dollars.
Wait. Mwajuma just came the other day. She's made 90,000 USD?
Yes, I will prove it.
Who?
And her net worth also is at 11 million.
11 million Kenya shillings.
Then we have Mary Linda.
Mary Linda.
Mary Linda's net worth is at 101,717 US dollars.
101.
717 US dollars. Mary Linda's net worth stands at 13 million Kenya shillings.
13 million Kenya shillings.
Then we have Denzel.
Denzel, Prince.
Yeah, Prince Denzel. Prince Denzel's net worth is at moment.
Damn.
I have to check in USD. Denzel is at 105,629,000 US dollars.
105,
29.
629 USD.
Yeah, he's standing at 13 million Kenya shillings.
13 million Kenya shillings.
Then we have Boscan.
Boscan.
Boscan is number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah, Boscan is earning 119 as at yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, leo siku calculate. So it means Boscan is standing at around 120,000 US dollars.
120,000 USD.
His net worth is at 15 million Kenya shillings.
15 million Kenya shillings.
Then we have Tizian.
King Tizian.
King Tizian's net worth is 120,000 US dollars, 435.
Tizian has made $120,425 on
Tizian's net worth stands at 16 million Kenya shillings.
16 million Kenya shillings from TikTok. Wow.
Then we have Boychild.
Boychild, all the way from Kisii. Hi, Boychild.
Boychild is number 3 in the list.
Wow.
He is top 10.
Madam President, hapo sasa tutaanza kuwapigia makofi the top 3. Twende boy child.
Boy Child made 160,000 US dollars.
Guys, the top 3 earners on Kenyan TikTok is boy child.
Boy Child is standing at 20 million.
20 million Kenya shillings, makofi kwake.
Then we have Kondeleman. Kondeleman is number 2.
Wait, Kondeleman?
Yeah, Kondeleman is number 2.
What?
Kondeleman is standing at 192,000 US dollars.
192,000 USD?
Yeah, Kondeleman is 25 million net worth.
25 million Kenya shillings reach.
Yes. Then we have number 1, Mwiti. Prince Mwiti is number 1.
How much has Mwiti made?
Mwiti is standing at 195,000 US dollars. Mwiti goes home with 26 million.
Damn.
Kenya shillings.
What?
So, makofi kwa nini, our gamers, they are doing so well. Yeah, they are doing very well. I'm happy for them.
So the king of Kenyan TikTok gaming is Prince Mwiti, followed by Kondeleman, and the top 3 is
Yeah,
Boy
so
Child.
I want to read this month, the
Yeah.
earnings were not so good this month alone because of the introduction of Tiklip.
Yes.
Mapato imeenda chini kidogo, but I'm still gonna read top 10 earners this month, 9 April.
For the month of April, ladies and gentlemen, these are the top earners on
Top
Kenyan
earners
TikTok.
At the month of April. We are talking about current affairs.
The current,
Number
yes.
1 earner on Kenyan TikTok is Boscan, standing at 12,000 US dollars.
Boscan
Guys,
made,
I'm not a gamer.
Boscan made 12,000 USD in April.
And I hope you respect that. I'm not a gamer. I'm not a gamer. So, number 2 is Denzel, standing at 10,000 US dollars.
Denzel made 10,000 USD.
I can still show you my earnings this month.
Yeah,
Cool down.
after this you're gonna show
I'm
us.
going to show you my own earnings after this. Cool down.
Yes,
Okay.
guys, relax.
Thank you. Number 3 is Mwajay, $10,000.
10,000 USD.
Number 4 is Frankie Mesh,
Frankie Mesh,
$8,000.
8,000 USD.
Number 5 is Mwiti,
Mwiti,
$7,600.
7,000 USD in April.
Then we have Kondeleman, standing at 5.6 US dollars.
Kondeleman 5.6 USD.
Then we have Merilinda at $4,000.
Marylinda at 4,000 USD.
Then we have Cheryl Gabriela at $4,700. Then we have JB at $4,800. And then we have Emashir at $3,600.
Those are the top earners for the month of April.
Yeah, I can show you my earnings for this month if you like. I'm not a gamer.
Do you think before we see your earnings, do you think that is because since the introduction of T-Clip, there's some changes, you know? Do you think those
What
guys
changes? What
like
changes?
since you introduced T-Clip, so those guys should be earning more than that, right?
No, Tiklip came late. Tik was not there in 2023.
Okay.
Tiklip started in 2024.
There are people asking to know how much has Lady J made on the platform. So maybe if you
Lady
can-
J has made $17,000.
Lady J has made $70,000 on.
Yeah.
Okay, that is like 2 point something million.
Yeah. I listed it, so I know about it. And there is one, nimesahau, there is Crescentia. Crescentia is worth $31,622. Crescentia stands at 3 million.
3
Yeah.
million. 3 million.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
There's so many people who really want to know how much you've also made. So you said you are not.
I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show them.
You want to show them one on one so that they can see.
Can I say it or should I show them?
Guys, which one do you guys want?
Nyakwar. I said Nyakwar's net worth. I show you. Okay.
Hello, termites. So, guys, that is the breakdown of what streamers and gamers have made on this platform. So, the biggest question tonight, Madam President, is asking you as a gifter, do
I'm
you
not
have
gonna
such...
show it because
Yeah.
they can download the app and see it. My net worth is 78,000 US dollars.
Yeah,
If
Madam
you
President.
translate that into Kenya shillings, that is around 78,000. Can you do a quick math for that? 78,000 US dollars.
Let me open my calculator real quick.
Go and
78,000.
download the app and just calculate how much my net worth is. $78,000.
You have made 9.984 million Kenya shillings.
Yeah.